Next, let's discuss exercise 1.2 homework. That may be, your answer may be different from what, because it's according to the number we are selecting, that you know. Okay, just I am discussing it, you can check it. Question number 1, A part. Sum is -7. So that day I have showed you the number line, and make sure that in the number line -7 is present. -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and what did I say? You can select a number. Okay, so I am selecting 2. That is first number. Your answer may be different. Don't get tense. You can check the method whether it is correct. First number. Then from first number, how many steps you have to move to reach to the answer -7. This is the -7. This is your third number. And how many steps you moved? You moved how many steps forward or backward? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 steps backward, so -9. This is your second number. So, starting with the first number, +2 plus -9 is equal to -7. Okay, you might have got different answer because it depends on the number you have selected. You just check the method is correct. Okay, now coming to the question B part. Question B part. Differences -10. Okay, so draw the number line and mark number. Here what you have to make sure is -10 is the answer. The answer is used as the counting step, 10. So we need 10 steps to count from the number you are selecting. That's all. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So I am selecting this number 6. The number which is selected is second number. Okay, and 10 units you have to count backward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you reach to a number that is your first number. And how many steps you count backward? 10 steps, that is -10, which is our answer, that is the third number. Okay, so third number. Now let's create the solution, that is first number -4 minus bracket second number +6 equal to. Let's solve. Subtraction, -4 plus -6, which is equal to -10, your answer. Okay, that is second part. Now C part. C part is sum is 0. That is easy. No need of drawing the number line. We know when which two integers are added, the sum is 0. That you can take any integer and its opposite. The answer will be 0. And this property is known as additive inverse property. Okay. So that is completed first question. Now second question. Second question, A part. Pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. difference gives 8. Okay, difference gives 8. So let's take integers. It's given both the integers, second integer as well as first integer should be negative. So I am taking negative integers more. Negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so this is used as the counting steps. So only thing we need to make sure is we should have this many steps to count to reach to the first number. So I am selecting the second number, negative 9. This is second number. Okay, from here we need to count 8 steps forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we reach to the first number, that is also a negative number. Both numbers are negative. That's our question. Write down a pair of negative integer which gives the difference 8. So 8 steps forward. So we get positive 8. So this is our third number. So we get negative 1 first number minus second number. Negative 9 is equal to negative 1 plus positive 9, which gives the answer positive 8. Okay, that is A part, second question A part. Now second question B part. Here we need negative integer and positive integer which gives sum negative 5. It is sum. Okay. So in sum we have to make sure this negative 5 should be there. In sum negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So in sum we start select a number that should be positive and another number when you reach that should be negative, and how many steps you have to move that we have to see to reach the answer. Your answer is negative 5. Okay. So let's see. From here we are selecting 2. That is first number. Okay. So we'll move to reach to negative 5. We move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps backward. So negative 7. That is your second number. Okay. And you reach to the answer. That is your answer is always the third number. Okay. So you move 7 steps backward. So we get first number positive 2 plus second number negative 7 is equal to negative 5. So a positive integer and a negative integer sum is giving negative 5. Okay. Now C part. Write a negative integer and a positive integer differences negative 3. Okay, so here we start with a number line. We need a positive integer and a negative integer. So 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Remember here the difference, this answer is the counting step. So let's select an integer positive. We need a positive and a negative integer which gives the difference negative 3. So this is second number. In difference, the first number we are selecting is marked as second number and we need to move 3 steps. This is steps counting backward. 3 steps backward. That is negative 3 which is our third number, and we are reaching on negative 1. That is our first number. Okay. Now when we arrange it, first number negative 1 minus positive 2 which is equal to negative 1 minus become plus and negative 2, answer is negative 3. Okay. So that completes the previous day homework. Please check it clearly and make the corrections if any mistake is happened.